It's right here. So we are right here, somewhere right here.
So the gym there at the beach?
Yeah, it looks so.
You sure that's the gym? That's a volleyball
Beach
court.
ball.
Oh, so then why when we press gym, that's where it brings us?
Go back.
Oh, you pass it up here. Fitness. There it is. Where the hell is that?
Beach?
No, it's over
Inside
here.
the pool.
It's right here.
Oh fuck, that's far.
Exactly, because we're
Yeah,
over
it
here
is.
and
What
it's
the hell?
over there.
I think we're just gonna have to come up here in the morning and then let the guide drive us.
Yeah.
Where else do we need to find? The breakfast place is in the middle, isn't it?
Yeah, it's somewhere right here.
Are we going to? Are you guys gonna wake up in time for breakfast?
We are ready. We are prepared for breakfast.
I'm looking forward to breakfast actually.
I love breakfast.
It is fucking huge.
It is. Yeah.
Nice.
I wonder if what's that, like houses or something.
It's the rooms, like.
No,
is
girl,
it?
this is where the rooms
Maybe it's
are.
like parking or something.
No, these are house places. But sometimes they have the staff live close by,
Oh,
so I'm
that makes
thinking
sense.
maybe that's what it is.
Okay,
Staff
bedtime.
housing, yeah.
Bedtime. I'm tired. Did you guys enjoy your trip? Everybody just looks tired. Have to rest from the rest.
Right. So did you guys see any of the light show yesterday? Was it? No, girl. We'll take a picture of it. That was it. Okay, hurry. This is attitude.
I might fall asleep on here. Do we though?
I
feel like the time
once
flies
we
so
check out,
fast.
we can still stay. We just have to use the bathroom to change the lobby bathroom.
He's done this before.
Many times.
He's a pro for you.
That's what he comes to the hotels and do.
Yo, I'll literally turn over and just start freaking out. We're gonna be worse than that. We're not terrible at this. Oh my god, it's so big. Turn, do rights only. Yeah. Is that a fish in the water? I'm so sorry. Okay, left. 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 Oh my gosh. We're going straight? Right. Right. Ooh, the sunlight on this side is good.
Do you have video?
Let's go back to the shore.
Video.
So I don't think we're supposed to come over this far. How did we end up this far so fast?
You
think she don't know how to turn back? Oh my gosh, what if she don't know how to turn back?
What you doing?
She gonna have to swim.
Hold on. Screen kind of weird.
You know, I thought this would have been harder, but it's not that bad. Ah, we're having fun. Just gonna chill here. Wow, this lighting is amazing. Oh, it's the beach, guys. Did you enjoy your trip? Was the food good? It was really nice.
Flight from London was actually really good and in a Having hair in this sunny weather.
Oh my gosh. Then we have to go back to dreaded weather.
Dreaded weather.
Oh my gosh. This is so racist. Oh my god. Think she's better than us. Too good for us.
Too good for us.
We're basic bitches on the kayak while she's paddleboarding. You tired already? If you ever drop off, I'll beat you. Feel like you're gonna turn us over. Say hi. Say hi. She's a big girl. She can do it.
I get some photo of us.
It's our last day. I'm so tired. I literally have to go home and sleep before I go back to work. God, work. Why? Why we have to work hard?
Entertain? Are we moving?
I'd definitely fall asleep on this.
Hi, hello, how are you?
Bonjour.
Comment ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Oh, ça va bien, merci.
Guys are the worst.
Et toi?
Et tout? You have nothing else to say after that. You start the conversation, then say your name long after. Work. Why can't you drive? The shore's that way. What are you doing? We're heavy. 10 years later. Oh! You're going in the forbidden area. You have to help him. Oh, my phone. Watch me reach before you. No, don't push me.
Yeah, sounding Russian.
Russian accent. You're an expert. The sign is right there. Unruly. Guys, it's been 3 days. Super tired. Have to drive all the way to Kingston and I'm in Hanover. But the trip was good. Some of the food was subpar, but for the main part, I give the food like an 85-70%. Drinks were good, customer service excellent. It was a good trip. I'm just really tired now. I just want to drive home and then go sleep.